Section the fringe in a big triangle from the highest point of the head between the temples. Section the sides from the highest point of the head to the tip of the ear. Step 1. Comb the hair from the crown to the nape in the natural fall. Cut in a horizontal line with the point cut technique to create a ridge line. Step 2. Cut the nape area scissor over comb in a high graduation. Step 3. Use the taper shears to soften the ends. Step 4. Release the side section. Taking diagonal forward sections, take apart from the section behind the ear to connect the sides with the back. Cut in medium graduation with the point cut technique. Step 5. Comb the perimeter contour line on the side in a C shape and cut the underlying hair in a sharp diagonal line. Step 6. Comb the rest of the side part diagonal forwards and connect the sides with the back. Cut in medium graduation with the point cut technique. Mirror this technique on the other side. Step 7. Release the triangle in the fringe and project it to the crown. Cut an increasing length to the front with the point cut technique. Step 8. Comb the top layers to the sides, over-direct the hair, and connect with the point cutting technique to the ridge line. Mirror this technique on the other side. Step 9. Adjust the crown to the lengths of the highest point. Cut with the point cutting technique. Step 10. Remove the hair at the nape with a feather razor.